All right, let's start this section by writing a simple subquery. So in our SQL Store database, we want to write a query to find all the products that are more expensive than lettuce. And here the ID of lettuce is 3. So we need to write a query like this. Select everything from the products table where unit price is greater than. Now here we need to get the unit price for lettuce. So this is where we write a subquery in parentheses. Let me close the navigator panel. That's better. So here inside the parentheses, we select the unit price column from the products table where product ID equals 3. When MySQL tries to execute this query, first it will evaluate our inner query or subquery. So it will get the unit price for lettuce, and then it will pass the result to our outer query over here. So let's execute the query and see what we get. These are the 2 products that are more expensive than lettuce. So here's one way to write a subquery. In this example, we have coded this subquery inside the where clause, but we can also write a subquery in the from clause or in the select clause, as I will show you later in this section. But before we get there, I have an exercise for you. In our SQL HR database, write a query to find all the employees who earn more than average. It's a really good exercise to get your hands dirty with subqueries. All right, so first we're going to use our SQL HR database. Then from the employees table, we want to select everything where salary is greater than. Now here we need to calculate the average salary of all employees. So that's where we need a subquery. We add parentheses, and inside this parentheses, we select the average of salary from the employees table. Now let's execute this query. So these are the employees who earn more than average.